So I needed a good solution for the perfect table setup in my studio apartment office space that I could use as a dining room table, but didn't necessarily take up a lot of space. This table is so perfect for what I needed, and I'm going to show you all the reasons why. First off, it goes from this little tiny thing and expands into a full-size kitchen table within a matter of seconds. All you do is pull out the two ends, which are both on wheels, making it really easy to move around. Then you can secure the cabinet pieces to the tabletop so that it's always sturdy and doesn't move while in use. The table is on wheels, so it's super simple to move around, expand and contract, but you can also lock the wheels in place so that it's stationary when you need it to be safe and secure. Although it did have a lot of pieces to assemble, it was really simple to put together because each piece was labeled and the instructions were super clear. All I needed was a screwdriver for the assembly, and that was really it. I love that this table even has amazing storage. There are 3 shelves inside the table, plus another little cubby attached to this door here. And there's a handle on the outside, which is perfect for hanging a towel or using the handle to move the table around the room. Overall, I am super impressed with this folding dining table and love all the different ways that I get to use it. I'd highly recommend it if you're looking for a dining table, a small desk, or even a craft station for your small space.